Let me show you how to make a Trini style oil down this Father's Day with KitchenAid recipe in the caption. Start by making a quick green seasoning in a KitchenAid blender, then season some pre-boiled pigtails. Heat some oil and saute aromatics, pumpkin, carrots, and fresh herbs. Next, add the pigtails and dasheen bush, followed by a mix of cassava, dasheen, and breadfruit. Use your KitchenAid blender again to mix some fresh coconut milk and add it to the pot. Let it come to a boil, add a hot pepper, cover and cook until tender, and enjoy. And get 40% off KitchenAid K150 blenders at Quartz until June 30th.